Hi, Norm here with UPLIFT Desk. Today, we'll be walking through assembly and setup of a V3 four-leg standing desk. First things first, place the desktop on a blanket or carpeted surface with the mounting holes facing upward. Place the crossbar rails as well as both the crossbar ends on the desktop. The crossbar end containing the control box can be positioned on either side. Slide the crossbar rails into the crossbar ends. If these are difficult to insert, use the included Allen wrench to loosen the set screws in the crossbar ends. Align the 3 oval holes in each crossbar end with the side bracket holes in the desktop. Partially insert a truss head screw in each hole with a Phillips screwdriver. However, do not tighten these screws just yet. Use a Phillips screwdriver to insert a truss head screw in each oval hole located on the innermost section of the crossbar ends. Tighten these and 6 screws previously installed. Insert a leg into the slots of each crossbar end. Align the pre-installed screws in the crossbar ends with the holes in the legs. Use the included Allen wrench to insert and tighten the screws into each leg. Make sure these are tight. Using the notched indicator marks on the crossbar rails, align the 2 rails and center them between the crossbar ends. Tighten the set screws to secure both crossbar rails. Place a foot on each leg. Align the pre-installed screws on the feet with the holes in each leg. Tighten the pre-installed screws with the Allen wrench to secure the feet to each set of legs. Make sure these are tight. Attach the keypad to either the left or right side of the desktop via the pre-drilled holes at the front of either side of the desktop. Insert the wood screws into each hole with the Phillips screwdriver to secure the keypad to the desktop. Do not over-tighten these screws to avoid stripping. Separate the 2 halves of the keypad cable channel. Remove the protective film on the bottom half and press the adhesive onto the desktop a few inches from the nearest crossbar end. Route the cable through the channel and reattach the top. Connect the cables from the 2 legs closest to the control box to the M1 and M4 ports of the control box. Connect the cables from the 2 legs furthest from the control box to the leg extension cables that come pre-connected to the M2 and M3 ports. Connect the keypad cable to the HS port and the power cable to the AC port. We've included a set of 10 cable mounts and 10 hook and loop strips to assist in managing the desk's cables. To apply, simply peel the backing from the cable mount and press it onto the desktop. Thread a hook and loop strip through the cable mount, bundle your cables, and tighten. If you've opted for casters, you'll install those here. Simply unscrew the attached leveling glides from the desk's feet and screw in your casters. At this point, if you also have any other accessories that attach to the desk frame or the bottom of the desktop, such as drawers, keyboard trays, CPU holders, or surge protectors, now is the time to install these. Refer to separate instructions provided for the Flex Mount Cable Manager. Next, it's time to flip the desk over. You'll need a second person to help with this step. Lift and rotate the desk upright with the keypad facing upwards to avoid putting pressure on the keypad. This is important. Before attaching the cover plates, use the Allen wrench to tighten the crossbar end screws once more, making sure they are tight. Align the cover plates with the holes and press firmly into the side of the crossbar end to cover the screws. With 2 people, position the desk to its final location. Install the grommet covers or power grommets if purchased and connect the desk to power. We're almost done. Before using the desk, you'll want to perform a quick desk reset procedure to sync the legs and the control box. You are now ready to get to work with your new standing desk. If you have any further questions or want to check out our wide variety of ergonomic seating and accessory options to complement your new desk, head on over to upliftdesk.com.